Hello guys, and welcome again to the complete Flutter developer course from Master Android channel. In this tutorial we are going to create and add the scaffold. So we already covered a lot of ground, but we still don't see anything on the screen. So we need now, in this tutorial, in a couple of minutes, we are going to create something on the screen. So we need to tell the material app, which is a wrapper for our entire app, what to do. So what to draw on the screen. So for that, we will pass an arguments to the material app. So go to the return material app, and here we need to pass the widgets. So here we are going to pass the widgets. And another good thing in the Flutter we will see here after building the annotation and the comments that they will create. So first of all, we start by home. Home means that it is a widget included inside the material app. So this home will be an identifier for the widget here to be displayed by the material app. So I will create a scaffold. A scaffold means the white screen that it appears for the user when he see, or the container that contains all the views all inside it. So now we have created a scaffold widget, but it is completed by adding the two parentheses. So automatically the Flutter generates a code or a comment to indicates that the material app widget will be here at this line. It is ended. So also other widgets we are going to see that they will be added with comments below. Now let's go back to the home scaffold. So we are going to create the app bar and the home screen app bar. So till now we go to scaffold, click enter, and we have now created the scaffold comment automatically by Flutter, indicating that the scaffold line is ending here. So inside the scaffold, we are going to type the app bar, a bar, and I will go open parentheses. So it's a good design from Flutter that indicates the ending of each widget. So passing the app bar, I will pass for this widget a title. So I will create title text, and inside the text, as we have seen, but in Android, but here in Flutter is one single apostrophe or quotation. So inside the text, I will put here Master Flutter or Master Android channel. Okay, this is our widget, scaffold widget. So till now, at the recap, a full recap for our lesson, we are creating the home widget by a scaffold. A scaffold will contain the app bar, and app bar it will contain the title. So if you look here, there is the lines that correspond for the segments or the hierarchy of the material design and the widgets that be created by Flutter. So in order to run, before running the app, we need to add a very important code in the main method. So we have created a class here that contains our code. But in order to display it, we are going to add a run app method that will pass our class that we will need to display. So I need to display this class. If I needed to display the class here in my app, I should pass it to the as a constructor method for or inside the run app. And I will put, don't miss the semicolon, and I will click run and see what the results. So now I will check the emulator and waiting the emulator to go. And by the way, we are creating a very important, a very amazing update for our app available on Play Store called Master Android. And we see that we are going to put all source codes for our videos and YouTube channels. We click on Basic, and we see the view bottom navigation bar in the previous video on YouTube, and you will get the source code, Java code, and XML here. So back to our video. So don't miss to get your free copy from Master Android Pro and Master Android. And for your notice and notification that we have created a Master Flutter app available on the Play Store, so you can go and check it and download it. Waiting for our emulator now. So amazing, this is our app. So if you see the app, this is our app bar. This is our home scaffold, and this is our app bar, and this is a text inside it called a Master Android channel. So thank you guys. I hope you subscribe and like for the daily uploads for the Flutter and Android courses and Android tutorials. Don't miss to like and subscribe, and like below, comment below what tutorials you need and what tutorials you need us to make, and the ideas you need to create. Thank you guys. See you in next videos. Subscribe now. Subscribe.